Alright, this is a Campbell's home style, Mexican style chicken tortilla soup. And I'm going to give it a try. If you look at the top of the can, you got an easy opener too. That's one thing I do like. Now I just cooked it for 2 minutes in my 1100 horsepower microwave. And that's what it looks like. And I done with that soup and it was pretty good. It's got a lot of beans and other stuff in it. And I still added some soda crackers to it because it's still a little soupy for my flavor, but it was good. It had a good flavor. I enjoyed that. I recommend you go get you some. That's some good stuff. It's at Campbell's chicken tortilla soup. I think it's Mexican style or something, but it's worth eating. So I'd rank it 7 out of 10. Okay, have a good day.